Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make your TikTok account public or how you can unprivate your TikTok account. So as you guys can see, here is my TikTok account and it is currently private. This ones you can see it in here, and to make it unprivate you can just click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. Then after that click on the privacy, and here in the at the top you can see there's a private account setting. So if you want to disable or unprivate your account, you can just click on the circle here, this blue circle, until it turns to gray, and after that click on switch. Okay, just wait a while. When you go back to your TikTok account, the private account settings in here will disappear. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. Bye.